Hello guys, welcome to another video on how to clean your messy data set using Data Revamper. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean a raw and unorganized data set quickly without spending too much time doing everything manually in Excel. So first of all, let us take a look at the raw data set. As you can see already on the screen, the data set is quite messy. Now, many people would start fixing these issues manually in Excel. Instead of using Excel, I'll be using Data Revamper to handle the cleaning process faster and more efficiently. Once the file is loaded, the platform automatically scans the dataset and identifies inconsistencies within the columns. This makes it easier to detect formatting issues, corrupted text, and other data quality problems. Now, I'm going to apply the cleaning operations. First, I'm going to standardize the dates column so all the dates follow one consistent format. Then, I will fix the corrupted characters and clean the affected text columns to make the values readable and properly structured. And within a short time, the dataset is now fully cleaned. The next thing I'm going to do is to export the clean dataset back into Excel so that we can compare the results with the original raw data. Here is the final output. This is one of the advantages of using Data Revamper. It helps reduce manual effort, save a lot of time, improve accuracy, and makes data cleaning much easier, especially for messy real-world data sets. So, that is it for this video, guys. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this on how to clean your messy data sets and get your data sets analysis ready using Data Revamper. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.